I'm out this morning. It's about 6:30, just doing my rounds, and been telling the girls that they're good girls. I've not seen anything amiss, and telling Stan he's an idiot because he's been roughing and carrying on like that, upsetting my sheep from their sleep. Now, is that one a newie? That one's a new one. Stan, no, leave her alone. It's always nice when you come out in the morning if you don't see anything amiss, and all. If there's any new babies, they're all okay. There was a little bit of drizzly rain last night, so I was out at 1 o'clock this morning, but I didn't check in here. It's just a little bit more awkward to check, so. But you know, that's definitely a little new one. That looks like maybe one of my maiden ewes. That lamb last night and it was a bit wet and cold, so I stuck her in the horse float. She's nice and dry and her babies are dry, but I'll let her out now. So I was just going to go out for a couple of hours, and I thought I'd just do me rounds before I went. Anyway, this blasted ewe, she's gone and lost one of her babies, so I've just been trying to scout round the paddock, and of course it'll be just lying down having a sleep because I saw them this morning, and yeah, I'm not succeeding at the moment, so I just might have to go for my hour or two, come back and hope that maybe it's calling for its mum because it's hungry. Yeah, she picked up her missing lamb and she ran off and left the other one. So she's not in my good books at the moment. But anyway, they're both together and I'll have to shift her later on. I won't leave her out here because I can't see I'm going to have troubles. I don't go quite yet because I've got a ewe here that's just about out of lamb, and I lost one the other day because the film was still all around the mouth. Good girl, you got a baby. So I'll just wait till she's had her other one before I go anywhere, make sure they're okay. Oh, look at all the goop. There you are, little one. Clear the face first, you silly old girl. Hi, little bubby. See the face. She's tucked it away in quite a nice little spot anyway. Come on, do the face. You're a bit shy. So I've got around about 40 of these old black tag ewes. They've been whipping old ewes, but unfortunately this is their last year for me because I'll only end up just having so many problems. It's not even ideal having them at this age as it is. Not for me anyway. But yeah, I do feel pretty sad when I have to sell them when they've been so good to me. Oh, it's a good girl. It's not a real big lamb, old girl. I hope you don't have any two in there. You gonna have another one yet? You getting close? Yep, you are. You're not letting me get out for a couple of hours, are you, or an hour? There's actually a farming clearing sale on, so a couple, so I just, yeah, there was some loose end hay. I would have been interested just to go and have a bit of a look, see how much it makes. These girls are just Some ewes will actually take a while before they have the second one, but I'd say the way she's going, she's probably not going to be very far away at all. Just don't have the other one now. All presenting properly, so that's good. Come, bub. Big push. So she's just got the head out. Come on, Gil. Big push, darling. Good, Gil. Come, bub. Don't have a little rest. You've got to get him out now. If you don't get him out, I'm just going to... Oh. Come on. So to save the waiting, I'm just going to give her a little bit of a help. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. Come on. Come on. Ah. So with him hanging upside down, like that, it gets rid of a lot of all the goop out of his gob. Stops him from drowning. Oh, yuck, and it just flicked into my face. And one little push up. Gil, come on, bud. That's it, Gil. That's it, fella. Oh, Gil, whatever you are. Careful. I don't think there's going to be any more in there. You're looking a bit skinny now, aren't you, old girl? Oh. Oh. So he's a bit bigger, that one. Good girl.